Here we're looking at a Colchester CNC lathe, the model T8, fitted with a FANUC 21IT control and with manual guide eye. And we can see from the screen that we have a power on time of 46,000 hours, but a total operating time of 2446, cutting time 5094, so a total utilization under cutting conditions of 7,500 hours approximately. We're going to run the machine now, and we're going to start the spindle and run the axes and the turret index in a simple program that we prepared. Very smooth spindle, currently running at 1500 RPM and ramping up to 2,500. It's a linear guide machine, and you can see also the machine has a tailstock included, so it's a universal CNC lathe with an 8-inch 3-jaw chuck. The machine also has swarf conveyor, and as far as chucking is concerned, it has an additional collet chuck with it, with a set of collets and a set of tool holders for the turret. The year of the machine is 2006.